Today I share with you how to make yellow Garri. This video is a very unique video and I think you need to watch it to the end because it's on how to make yellow Eba with white Garri. This right here is a white Garri that I'll be using to make this yellow Eba. Make sure you watch this video to the end as I show you how. First, I'll pour some water into the pot, and as soon as I've added enough water for this recipe, I'll cover the pot and allow the water to boil. So I need to clarify, the quantity of water you add to your pot depends on the number of people you are catering for. Now, as soon as the water starts boiling, the next thing I would do is to add something, and that thing is palm oil. I'd add just 1 tablespoon of palm oil to the boiling water. I'll cover the pot and allow the palm oil to boil very well with the water. At regular intervals, I'll be checking the water to ensure that the palm oil has completely dissolved in the water. Now it's time for me to check, and I'm just simply going to stir the water well, and as you can see, the palm oil has not completely dissolved. So I'll cover the pot once again and allow the water boil until the palm oil dissolves totally in the water. Now it's time to cook. Here I have my white Garri, and I'll start by turning down the heat of the cooker. As soon as I turn down the heat of the cooker, I'll begin to pour my white Garri into the hot water with palm oil. I'll mix as soon as I pour the white Garri and continue to do this until I achieve the consistency that I like. Bear in mind that when making Eba, it heavily depends on your preference. You may like your Eba thick, very thick and hard, and you can like your Eba just soft and normal, while some people just like it to have a medium texture. As for me, I like my Garri to have a medium texture, and that is what I am aiming for. Now at this point, you can see that my Eba is forming already and it's color yellow, but I do not have that texture that I like yet. So I just added some more Garri and I'll proceed to mix very well until the Garri mixes well with the Eba and until I can't see anything white basically in the pot. Now I also have to let you know that I have been cooking on low heat. So if you watch this video to this point, I know you're enjoying this video, so why not just click on that like button, also subscribe to this channel, and as soon as you subscribe, I would suggest that you click on that bell button. Why? So that as soon as I post my next video, you will be notified of my next video. As you always know that I post a lot of lovely, nice and amazing videos regarding Nigerian foods and how to prepare them. So if you're interested in simple Nigerian cooking, you're in the right place. After mixing and making my Eba, now my Eba is ready and it's time to wrap my Eba into cute little balls. And to do that, I'll cut some I'll cut just the required length of cling film. I'll place the cling film over a bowl because it helps me work better with my Eba. Now I'll put the Eba into the cling film just as can be seen in the video, and then I'll proceed to wrap the Eba very well with the cling film. So if you don't have cling film, there is this nylon that is popularly sold. They call it nylon, or some people call it Santana. You can buy Santana and use it, but for me, I have cling film, so I'd rather use cling film. And that is it. I just made my one cute ball of Eba. Okay, let me make the other ball of Eba so you can see it again. After cutting off the required length for the cling film, I'll simply scoop the desired amount of the Eba into the cling film. For this recipe, you cannot scoop big Eba. So if you're used to big Eba, you cannot do that for this design. Okay, I'll scoop just small Eba and I'll proceed to wrap very well by simply taking up the edges, holding up the edges with one hand and rolling the Eba with the other hand, just as you can see in the video. And that's it. Take a look at my second cute Eba ball. Now, here is the catch for this video. If you like to eat yellow Garri, if you like to eat yellow Eba, but for reasons best known to you, you cannot find yellow Garri to make your yellow Eba, you know what? Just buy white Garri and proceed to make your yellow eba as I have shown you in the video. And as always, I would really love to read from you. So don't forget to leave your comment in the comment box and tell me what you think about this recipe. If you've ever tried this recipe before, I like to hear from you, or I like to read from you. Why? Because I love to read about your experiences, and it just helps to make the community more fun, more happy, and enjoyable. Take a look at my yellow eba. As for me, I'll be eating this with egusi soup. What about you? Have a nice time.